Hey, we're back at Sammy's Forge again today watching some of his amazing work. Today we're going to be making a hardy hole chisel for the anvil and a pair of tongs. If you're into forging, you're going to want to watch Sammy and how he makes it look so easy.
What are you making?
Forging tongs.
Oh, like those?
Similar.
Okay.
Well, that's right. I'm gonna make him a hardy that might fit his anvil too.
Hardy tools, known as anvil or bottom tools, are metalworking tools that have a square shank, which prevents them from rotating when it's placed in the anvil's hardy hole. Typically, hardy tools include chisels, bending drifts, and they're used to form and cut metal. Tongs, or billy tongs as they're sometimes called, are an important tool to metalworkers and are much better than using pliers or vice grips for holding hot metal. Tongs are used at temperatures in excess of 2400 degrees. They do not scratch or gall the workpiece when maintained and used correctly.
really drawing that out, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do we start out with? Something that long? Start out with something that long?
You notice how he doesn't have to measure. Like when I was doing my ones I made out of rebar, I had to look at them, spend a lot of time putting them both together to make sure that they would fit. They're still not. Watching him work is the hard. It's the hard.
I didn't see you get a tape measure out at all.
No, I didn't either.
Well, there's a little bit to finishing, but that's the basic.
Wow.
That's pretty amazing.
I freehand them.
That's pretty amazing freehanded.
That's what we were looking at. He ain't measuring nothing. He's just eyeballing that. He's
Both sides are made the same
yeah.
because they go this way to go together. And they'll match up.
That's pretty amazing.
That's cool.
That is way cool.
Grind it down a little bit. That's a little bit warm, but
That dude got long, didn't it?
you have to do a little adjusting, but there's your basic right there.
That's awesome. Yes, very cool.
Got your handles the same length. I don't always get them drawed the same.
Yeah.
But yeah.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Now, what's the purpose of the dimple? Is that
Grip.
grip? Okay.
Grip's tighter on your metal.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can see I about wore the dimples off of these. I've used them that much.
Do you heat treat them when you're done adjusting them?
Nope.
Just leave them.
The heat from your hot metal will draw any heat treating out.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
You can't. This is to pull the shoes with.
Okay.
Yeah. This come out of a sulky rake spring steel.
Huh.
But you
It's
can
like
temper your cutting edges.
Look like they're store-bought.
Well, you couldn't buy them.
Yeah.
So I built them.
Yeah.